Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 milliamp hour power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Hey there, it's WatchWire News. Apple Watch just got a whole lot more powerful when it comes to running training. We've all been there, you're hitting the pavement, trying to stay on track with your pace and distance, but it's not always easy. The latest feature that's taken our runner by surprise is the Pacer mode. It lets you set a target time or distance and tracks how close you are to it in real time. No more worrying about remembering your pace when you're already sweating it out on the run. But what really blew their mind was the custom workout option. This allows you to create multiple intervals for a single run, each with its own target. You can set targets for pace, heart rate, cadence, or power, and even automatically repeat intervals you've already created. And it comes with built-in warm-up and cool-down sections. Talk about convenient. Now, I know what you're thinking. How do I create a custom workout on my Apple Watch? Well, the good news is that it's not exactly rocket science. You can download an awesome app called Workout Builder from Matthew Palmer to help you through the process. It's easy to use, and the transfer between your iPhone and Apple Watch is lightning fast. But what really gets me excited about this feature is the potential for interval training. No more tedious workouts where you're just trying to mix up the pace. With custom workouts, you can create a variety of intervals that are tailored to your specific goals, whether it's sprinting, jogging, or walking. The possibilities are endless. So, if you're like our runner who's been missing out on some of the Apple Watch's best features, now's the time to get familiar. With Pacer and custom workouts, you'll be taking your training to the next level in no time. That's it for today from WatchWire News. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date on all the latest Apple Watch news and reviews.